finally, after 17 years, palapakan nyo naman, 17 years nilang tiniis ang isa't isa. At finally, mag-asawa na sila. At ngayon ay kasal na kayo.
I don't know. Address to places like Abbey Road. Take turns tonight, not turns to whatever we want. We're young enough to say, oh, this has gotta be a good life. This has gotta be a good life. This could really be a good life, good life. I say, oh, this feeling that you can't fight. The city is on fire tonight. This could really be a good life, a good, good life. To my friends in New York, I say hello. My friends in LA, they don't know where I've been for the past few years or so. Paris to China to Colorado. Sometimes there's airplanes I can't jump out. Sometimes it's bullshit that don't work now. We got our stories, but please tell me what there's to complain about. When you're happy like a fool, you let it take you over. When everything is out, you gotta take it in.
Nagpapasalamat din ako sa aking mga balae, Mr. and Mrs. Dulaca, at ang buong pamilya niya ng binigay ninyong pagmamahal sa aking anak at ang buong pagtanggap niyo sa kanya sa buhay ngayon ni Catherine. Masayang-masaya kami kasi sila ang nagkatuluyan. Dahil sa tagal ng kanilang samahan, ay kilalang-kilala na nila ang isa't isa. Nakita namin ang tunay nilang pagmamahalan. Kaya salamat sa Panginoon at silang dalawa ang nagkatuluyan.
After all these years na magkasama tayo, para na tayong pinagbiyak na buko. Sobrang dami na nating pinagdaanan, masaya man o malungkot. Marami na din tayong problemang nasolusyonan. Maraming pangakong napako, pero mas maraming pangarap ang natupad. Isa na to sa mga yun. Sabi nga nila, malayo pa, pero malayo na. Mahal na mahal kita at lagi akong nandito para sa'yo. I vow to always protect this marriage, no matter what happens, and I will always be grateful for you. Hindi ko na patatagalin itong vow ko kasi nanggigigil ako. May kasabihan nga na, tonight is the night when two become one. Sana nakapag-prepare ka kasi talaga magpapakpakan tonight. I love you, babe, and I will always do.
My love since 2007. As I write these words, my heart is filled with love, excitement, and anticipation for the day when we finally come together as partners in life in front of God. I am so blessed na ikaw ang makakasama ko sa habang buhay. I know together we will navigate life's journey as a team, with the Lord, of course, in the center of our marriage. Well, kinaya naman natin ng 17 years. Easy na lang siguro, no? Thank you, my loves, of patience and understanding through these years. And thank you for this wonderful and surreal life with you. I love you so much, my husband, Russell Jake.
Today, as you begin this new chapter, remember, marriage is beautiful. It's a beautiful partnership on love, trust, and communication. Always put God first in the center of your life. God bless you both. Congratulations, Jake. And best wishes to you, Kat. We love you both. Welcome to our family, Jakey.
This has gotta be good love. This has gotta be good love. This could really be good love, good love. I say, oh, this feeling that you can't find. The city is on fire tonight. This could really be good love, a good, good love. Hopelessly,
Pinakilala niya na lang si Jake sa akin, magjowa na sila. Tapos, wala, nagulat na lang ako. Pero over the years naman, nakilala namin si Jake. Ayun, natanggap naman namin kung bakit. So, congrats.
this has gotta be good love. This has gotta be good love. This could really be good love, good love. I say, oh, this feeling that you can't find. The city is on fire tonight. This could really be good love, a good, good love. Good, good love, good love. Listen, what there's to complain about.